So what do you do when your yarn runs out? If you're all done with this color, you can just leave it here. If it falls at the front of your loom between your two edge warps, your two selvage warps, what you can do is what's called a pigtail. So this one is falling between my two warps and it's at the front of my loom. If it were in the finishing in the pickup shed, it would be falling between the two and at the back of my loom, and that's fine. We don't need to do anything more. But with this instance, what you want to do is a pigtail. So you bring your yarn between the two warps from the front to the back, and then you swing it around that selvage yarn and put it between them again from the front to the back, and then it'll make a nice rounded selvage, and your yarn will end at the back. If you want to weave with more of that yarn, what you'll do instead is weave it a little bit in to your weaving. So we're in pickup shed, so we're going to go pick up our warps that are on the edge here, just a few in, and then we're going to get more of that yarn just put it in our needle and then continue where we left off. So where this one ended, we're going to keep going. This is where we can make a mistake and accidentally enter the wrong shed. So we started this one by picking up the back one. So we want to make sure that going forward with this new yarn that we're picking up the back warps and not accidentally going into our open shed. And you know you've done it right, because there will be a warp between them that's not covered. And what you can do is choose one of these ends to cover that warp on its way to the back of the loom, and then the other end goes through that spot as well.